Hi guys, what's up? We got a Kenwood food processor. Yeah, the P120, FP120, and we're gonna check it out. So it's got 4 processing tools, it's 400-watt motor, pulse function, dishwasher safe. Inside it comes with a 1.4 litre bowl. This is pretty big. You've got a stainless steel blade, which is pretty, the cutter. Which you've got a slicing plate, grating, and emulsifying tool. Unfortunately, on the back, it's almost multiple languages in one list. Food processors, basic what it says. Versatile stainless steel knife blade for coarse and fine chopping. And we've got a 1-speed pulse, which is this. There's the blade. It's pretty obvious really. Easy slicing and grating with stainless steel plates. Just unboxed it, and we've got, it comes with a manual. Applies to 2 different models. So we've got this model here. So there's the cheese grater, the slicer, the top feed bit. So here we got the Kenwood food processor, and we've got the attachments here. Now on the box it did show just a cheese grated bit with the metal, but we actually got it in a whole plastic thing, which is pretty good. And the same with this. This emulsifier. This is actually really good. I'm really impressed with what's in here compared to what I've seen before. This is how generally I would expect these to come. Now it's possible that cheese thing will swap with this, and this will clip out and you can clip this in, and that's how you feed bits in. Now doing this up, it does say will not operate unless the lid is fully interlocked. So not only is it like a little bit difficult to get it in the right place, and it's to do with these bits as well, but when you shut it, there's a little entrance in there which it interlocks in there, and then we'll let you use it. It's 1.4 litre, which is a pretty good size. It's got 800 up to there, and then it goes up even more. There's no measurement there. Pretty good.